Over 250 Russian servicemen were killed in a missile attack on Ukraine's captured Mariupol city, just a week after 200 Russian soldiers were killed in the same city. Telegram in Russian. The channel Kremliansky at Tabakurka reported on Saturday that Ukrainian missiles hit the area where a large number of troops and military equipment were gathered. According to an unknown source within the General Staff of Russian Armed Forces, the attack targeted experienced military personnel, special forces, and Marines who arrived in Mariupol on May 25th, the day before the strike. The assailants will not, according to the source. We are awaiting the Ukrainian army. According to the source, it is unbearably hot here. Another insider advised the Telegram channel that Russian forces should be withdrawn from Mariupol and concentrated on protecting other critical locations like as Crimea, Rostov, Belgorod, and other territories bordering Ukraine.